Today we're going to make an A-frame swing set. We're going to need a good saw, a drill, we're going to need a drill bit, the bit to drill your screws, 3-inch wood screws, 2 eye hooks, an angle finder. This will come in handy when we put our eye hooks in, a measuring tape, and a speed square. You're also going to need 8 hex screws. We used 4-inch by 3/8, sorry. Awesome. Alright, so with our angle finder, we're going to go to 60 degrees. That's good there. We're going to mark a 1/2 inch here. And then we're going to mark 4 inches here. Then we're going to use our 60-degree angle. And we're going to connect them. Perfect. 60-degree angle. You do want a little bit of a flat spot so that that board will sit flush with your beam. Alright, so on the opposite end of the board, you're going to do a 30-degree cut. This is going to go straight down to the corner of the board. With 30 and 60 degrees, you're creating the equilateral triangle that needs to be 90 degrees. So now we're going to cut our 60-degree angle. Alright, so now we're going to cut the angles for the top brace. Alright, second brace angle cuts. Alright, so now we're going to assemble our top bracket. I put 2 screws here. I'm going to do the same thing on this side. So from the bottom of our legs, we're going to measure up 36 inches. Give me a mark there. Up here. Right up here. Okay. Good job. Alright, so from that 3-foot mark, we're going to make our second support beam look like it's about to the top of that mark. Then I'm going to put in 3 screws.
It's only 3 screws, Mom. I have 2 more screws.
You're going to do the same thing on the other side. All right, now that we have our A-frame standing, we're going to pilot hole one side and then add our hex screws. All right, now we're going to add 2 hex screws on each side of each leg. All right, so my entire length from the inside of each support was about 77 inches. So 19¼ inches in from each side is about 1/4 way. So I'm going to pilot hole. And then I'm going to add my eye hook here. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. All right, now it's time to attach our swing.